I had a kiddo who wouldn't come to school. And so mom would take him home, and when he didn't want to come to school, he'd text her and mom would come pick him up. And so we were like, you got to stop doing that, Mom. And so what was happening is that he kept triggering so much cortisol that was shooting into the prefrontal cortex that he would go into this anxiety attack. And so we started actually teaching him about his brain and what was happening, and gave him the whole diagram and the whole flip your lid thing. And, I said, you got to get the lid back on. I said, you're in control of your brain. All right. So you can put the lid back on. So when we taught him these techniques, we overheard him coming in the morning, going to a safe spot, his little safe spot, he called it, which is a management technique. All right, that's management. You go to a place where you pull it together. The intervention piece was he was able to say, he named, at the time, he named his amygdala Karen, which I thought was brilliant. I know, it was during the Karen phase. And so he named his amygdala Karen. So he was able to say, all right, Karen, I know what you're doing here. All right. But this is what we're going to do. You can go ahead and fire all you want, but I'm going to tell you how it's going to go. So if you want to join me, you can join me.